turned on. Please make sure you have all your personal belongings and be careful when opening overhead compartments as items may have shifted during the flight. You're now free to use your mobile phones and small lightweight electronic devices in their transmitting mode. If you are connecting to another flight, check the United app on your mobile device or see the airport displays for up-to-date flight status and key information. If this is your final destination, you may pick up your checked baggage in the baggage claim area. In order to promote social distancing once we arrive at the gates and the seatbelt sign has been turned on, we will be deplaning the aircraft in groups of 5 rows at a time, beginning with the front of the aircraft. And in order to avoid congestion in the jet bridge, those of you who gate checked a bag with a green tag, you're invited to remain seated, and we'll let you know when those bags arrive so you can easily deplane with your luggage while maintaining proper social distancing. If you do leave the aircraft or wish to wait in the jet bridge, please ensure you maintain social distancing standards and do not congregate around the door. Please be aware that many airports have restrictions in place requiring individuals to cover their nose and mouth area, which truly appreciate your understanding. On behalf of United, our Star Alliance partners, and your Salt Lake City-based flight crew, we thank you for flying with us today and look forward to serving you again on another United Express flight.